Hello viewers, I hope you're all fine. Today I'm going to elaborate some commonly confusing words. These words are very common while using, but most of the time we use them in wrong way. The first pair is fun versus funny. Okay, can you please tell me what's a fun? Okay, is fun an attitude? Okay. Then what's funny? Funny is an attitude as well. Okay. Then what's the difference between these two? Let me elaborate. For example, if you go to a party, you have a great time over there. You have a lot of friends. You eat there. You enjoy it a lot. That was a source of fun for you. And in the party, there was a person who made you laugh. So we will say that the person was funny. Got the point? Fun means having good time, whereas funny means a person, a thing that makes you laugh. Our next pair is surprise and shock. Do you know the difference between surprise and shock? For example, you buy some e-tickets and you don't know how much profit you will gain after selling them. And after selling them you got a lot of profit. At the end of the day you are surprised that you have got a lot of profit. Surprise is a positive word, whereas shock means you got a phone call and the caller told you that your friend is injured who was driving a car. You will be shocked. Oh my God, my friend with whom I've spent around 3 hours today is now injured badly and admitted in hospital. You will be shocked. So surprise is positive and good. Shock is negative and it's bad. Got the difference? Our next pair is the difference between famous and popular. Famous. Famous means that many people know you. For example, we can have the name of ex-Prime Minister of America, George Bush. He was a very famous personality and people know him very well. Whereas the popular means people like you. Undoubtedly, Bush was a very famous person, but I'm not sure that people like him as well. Or we can have another example. I guess all person on the globe know Hitler, but most of the people don't like him. So Hitler is famous but not popular. Your class teacher can be popular among students, and because of his good attitude, his teaching methodology and his affection towards students. So that was all from my side. I hope that you have got some information from the lecture. If you like the lecture, please comment it, share it and subscribe my channel.